Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. As you might know, my RPM counter on the Ford isn't working. So I went troubleshooting, and I found out that this part over here, which sits there on the alternator and powers the cable, is broken. So the T's in here, you can't see it, right? I know, but they are broken and shaved off. So I went to my local New Holland dealer about a few meters away, and they told me that the part is still available, as you can see here, for about 80 to 90 US dollars. So I said, yeah, it's okay. I'll buy it. And actually, 2 days after, I could go there and take it. So very fast delivery. And yeah, first of all, I thought the cable would be broken, but then I checked it like this. Okay, I just turned with the cable, and as you can see, cable is still okay. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna install the new part over there, install the cable, and hope for the best. So here it is, our new part. Let's start it up and see what's going on. So, and it works again. Okay, and something else I want to point out. Those hours are quite right. They are correct, because this RPM counter was only broken about a year or so, and in this year, I mean in August 2018, it broke down. So about a year from now, and I don't really drove that much. Okay, so maybe the engine had made now 5,950 hours or so. So they are correct. And another impressive thing, I mean, I ordered this part on a day, and 2 days after it was here, and this for a 45-year-old tractor. This is really impressive. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you next time.